Hi everyone. The next few videos will be focused on this one because we've lost brakes on it. One of the brake lines just corroded through. Also it needs rocker cover gasket and it will need bonnet release cable replaced because it's all corroded. After this is done, there might be a video or two of a Volkswagen Golf. Following that will probably take most of the time on the channel. That's 1972 Volkswagen Beetle 1300. There's wings for it in the garage. This is quite common. What happens with this? There's like a fire foam inside, but this foam is actually absorbing water, so it's rotting the panel out. Plus it's got loads of little bits. The whole structure is pretty solid. Not sure what happened there. That don't look like what it should be. Anyhow, we're gonna attack it bit by bit. That's probably the original color of it. It's like a silvery blue. There's a lot of things that are shot on it. Doors are completely gone, but they've got a set of doors there. Still a mess in the garage, but slowly going through it. The other side's not that bad. This is a bit crusty, and obviously the back apron will need to be replaced, but apart from that, engine's running. Whoever's done it before galvanized it. As you can tell, it didn't do a good job, but it's been galvanized, so it's going to be extra work for me to get it all scraped off and back to normal. The brakes on this have been done a while ago, but, and this is the nice part, it is running. Sort of. It is running anyway, but it needs quite a lot of tweaks to it. We'll go at the engine once we've finished with the body anyway. I've got another engine if anything. There's a new belt on it. There's a new electronic distribution, new coil. The carb has been cleaned, but it's all been done a while ago, and I was supposed to get back at it. As always, I didn't have time for that, so that never happened. But as I said, for 1300, there's a new set of door cards inside. I've managed to find a set of doors for it, and this is being rescued from going into the scrapyard. Story goes that it's been standing for 25 years on a drive after they came back from a camping trip. It's just been left on a drive since, locked up and left there, so it doesn't look pretty. It's got a lot of rust around here as well. It's a bit over optimistic probably, but I'd say it could be saved. And it is a proper camper, it's not just a bus, it's a camper. The only problem Rust is pretty much everywhere. The back isn't as bad, and the inside there are some traces of a floor. So I can't see anything through it, but can't open the doors at the minute anyway. Yeah, that was the last time it's been on the road, 97 apparently. And yeah, that's a big project. Let me know what you think, because the owner was going to break it into pieces and sell it, but he couldn't do it. It's got an engine's been rebuilt at some stage, not long before it's been parked up anyway, so it could be a decent engine. I haven't had a look at it yet, because it's been just fetched during the lockdown, and he was given it basically, and it was too far gone for him. In all fairness, it seems like too far gone to me as well. But if we would, maybe, we'll see how the Beetle goes off. But if I actually manage to get something done with the Beetle, because that will need a little bit, just a touch. That should buff out, I think. Yeah. Once the Beetle is at least started, I might attempt to do something on this, because it would be a shame to kill it. We'll see anyway. Let me know what you think. That's the next step though. And obviously, like I said, this. And there's going to be a few videos probably about the Golf. I will need a couple of things done to it, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think about the bus. Let me know what you think about the Beetle, and we'll take it from there, one bit at a time. I might start a little bit on the Beetle once the brakes are done on the T4. Well, T4 shouldn't take longer than about a day to get everything done on it, because it's only the brake lines, obviously in the worst possible spot by the gas tank. Problem is, obviously, I filled it up, so the tank's full, so there's no chance I'm going to be dropping that off. We'll see if we can do something about it and do the other bits on it. As I said, the cable's gone out as well, so there's still a lot of little things on it to be done. I don't think that should go in there. There should be a spot where it actually attaches to. And the cable, as I said, it's in rather bad state. Don't know if you can see it. Bit better with the light, I think. There's a leak. I've got a new gasket for that, so that's going to be replaced. I've got a new air filter as well, that's going to be replaced. Oil filter. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the fuel filter, because it seems I should really do it. There's a plunk, nice find. As I said, the bonnet release cable, that's how bad it's got, which is not uncommon on it, I think, because it's all corroded. So that needs to be replaced, because that simply doesn't work. Next there will be the scuttle panel, which I'm not a fan of starting, but we'll see how we go. So yeah, if you want to see this coming up, please consider subscribing to the channel and give us a like if you like the video, and we'll take it from there. We'll see where we go with this. There's a lot of work, so there's going to be at least 2 videos. We'll see if it's going to come out as a series. See you soon.